2018 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, compass, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.